Hi guys, just a short video this week. I've been very busy this month with work at the marina. I've only had a couple of days off in between 4-day sets, so it's just been hectic. So yesterday we got absolutely battered with Storm Eunice. I was on duty and it was an exciting shift. We had a finger break, had to secure 2 vessels, but we got away with no damage, no boats damaged, only a little bit of one finger which had actually snapped, so that will have to be replaced very shortly. But today we've got the next aftermath of Storm Eunice. We've got snow. Suddenly the temperature's plummeted and we've got some big flakes of snow coming down. Winter living aboard a boat. Right, so we've got that both out. That was a struggle. We have got a slight drip coming down from up in that area there somewhere. Some of it might be historic. We're just going to have to leave this to dry out now and clean all the rest up. I've got to get a load of insulation to insulate all of that. I think we'll strip all of this old carpeting off and redo all of this as well. And we're same on the other side. That's the worst up there. Again, a little bit of water's got in. So, and I can see a drip there coming. So, chase where that's coming from. So there's a drip of water on that screw head there, and there's water there, so it's coming down from up there somewhere. I don't want to have to take this headlining down, but you know, it's a boat and you just chase issues. Well, I'm just turning out for another shift. Start of the shift, it's about 7:15. We're in the throes of Storm Franklin. This is going to be a wet and exciting shift, I think. Hope it's not quite like we had on Friday. Maybe I'll better show you a little bit of what happened, or just the results of Storm Eunice on Friday. See over there the bent finger and the big gap. I'll talk about that when we get around there. What I'm actually doing now is morning walk around, especially with the storms, just to make sure everything's in place and okay after last night. So that finger had Blue Voyager and Musicus on it, and in the winds the finger snapped and just bent. I was actually just walking alongside it when it started to go, and by the time we could get anybody down here in just minutes it had gone. So we had to first of all stabilise Blue Voyager. There was no way could we pull it across in the wind. She had to stay tethered onto here, and then we had to pay Musicus across to the next finger to take the pressure off, and that stayed like that overnight until the winds died, and then Steve with Blue Voyager could get across to a more stable finger. So this one will have to be removed and replaced. That's going to be a task and a half, because it is actually snapped into 2 pieces. So in the next part of our strip out, we're going to take this furry mat off. It's all insulated behind, but we're going to put some extra insulation on that. I've got insulation to go on the top, but we have got some leaks from the rails, handrails, so you're going to have to take the bolts out, lift the handrails and seal underneath, and then below the shelf again, that's the bare hull, so we'll put some insulation on that. The insulation is really about trying to stop condensation, and we want that cold touch condensation zone, and so we're just using a double foiled bubble just to give us that layer of protection, just to stop the condensation. And outside, Janet is just busy cleaning off some of the trim panels. We've got some areas of black, sort of the black mould on, so she's given that a scrub down this piece there, a scrub, and we've got these pelmet panels to do, and also the some more panelling that's even worse than these actually. So that's the back side of the pelmet. If we can get most of this off, it'll just prevent it coming back through again.
At the moment, I'm using a thing I've never used before, but I know Som's good, and it's mould and a mildew blaster. So all you do with this is squirt it on, leave it for a few minutes, and then while I'm scrubbing it to get it into the fabric a little bit, and then I'm wiping it down with a sponge, and then I'm rinsing it.
And so we use the same Astonish mildew buster inside as well. We give that a good spray and scrub and wash down, wipe down, and to be honest, it's worked really, really well. I thought we'd have to recover everything, but I think we might get away with this. Even the headlining's come up beautiful. It was nearly all, we'd got little bits of spray and what have you on the I don't know, spots, not spray, but spots, and it just looked horrible, but that's come up superb. So anyway, thank you for watching. We'll end this video now, and look forward to seeing you again as we complete this project over the next few days.